Welcome to Tech Machine. French fries, also known as chips in the UK and some other countries, are a popular side dish and snack made from potatoes. They are typically deep-fried and served hot, often accompanied by condiments such as ketchup, mayonnaise, or vinegar. Despite their name, French fries are believed to have originated in Belgium. They have since become a staple in various cuisines around the world. Manufacturing process of French fries. Raw material selection. Potatoes, the primary ingredient. Varieties with high starch content, such as russet or Idaho, are preferred. Oil, typically vegetable oil or canola oil, is used for frying. Cleaning and peeling. Washing. Potatoes are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities. Peeling. The cleaned potatoes are peeled using steam or mechanical peelers. Cutting. The peeled potatoes are cut into uniform strips. The size can vary based on the desired style of fries. Blanching. The cut potatoes are blanched in hot water or steam. This process partially cooks the potatoes, removing excess sugars and ensuring an even texture. Cooling. Blanched potatoes are then cooled rapidly to stop the cooking process. Drying. The blanched and cooled potato strips are dried to remove surface moisture. This step is crucial to achieve the desired crispiness when fried. Frying. The dried potato strips are fried in hot oil at temperatures between 170 to 180 degrees Celsius for a short duration to achieve a crispy exterior while keeping the inside tender. First frying. Sometimes, the potatoes undergo an initial frying at a lower temperature, followed by a second frying at a higher temperature. Freezing. For commercial French fries, the partially fried potato strips are flash frozen. This helps in preserving their quality and extending shelf life. Packaging. The French fries are then packaged in suitable containers for distribution. Packaging ensures they remain fresh and prevents contamination. Final frying. In restaurants or homes, the frozen French fries are fried again before serving. This final frying makes them crispy and golden brown. Countries known for French fries. Belgium, often credited with inventing French fries, Belgium is famous for its fries, typically served with a variety of sauces. France, while not the origin, French fries are a staple in French cuisine, often served with steak. United States, French fries are a ubiquitous side dish in American cuisine, especially in fast food. United Kingdom, known as chips, they are a key component of the classic fish and chips meal. Canada, French fries are integral to poutine, a dish consisting of fries topped with cheese curds and gravy. Netherlands, Dutch people enjoy fries, often served with mayonnaise or other dips. Conclusion. French fries are a globally beloved food with a detailed and precise manufacturing process to ensure their crispy and delicious quality. Each step, from selecting the right potatoes to the final frying, contributes to the perfect French fry experience. Selection of potatoes. High-starch potatoes like russets are preferred for their ability to become crispy. Cutting. Potatoes are cut into the desired shape using specialized equipment. Blanching. The cut potatoes are blanched to remove excess starch and ensure an even cook. Drying. Excess moisture is removed to help achieve a crispier texture. Frying. Potatoes are fried in hot oil. Some recipes call for double frying for extra crispiness. First fry, lower temperature to cook the inside. Second fry, higher temperature to crisp up the exterior. Seasoning. Fries are typically salted immediately after frying. Other seasonings can be added based on preference. Standard cut fries. Uniformly cut potatoes fried until golden brown. Shoestring fries. Very thin and crispy fries. Steak fries. Thick cut fries that have a substantial potato interior. Crinkle cut fries. Fries with a wavy texture, often thicker and crispy. Curly fries. Spiral cut fries seasoned with a blend of spices. Waffle fries. Ladder-shaped fries that are crispy with a good balance of potato interior. Sweet potato fries. Made from sweet potatoes, offering a sweeter flavor and different nutritional profile.
The manufacturing process of Coca-Cola is intricate and involves several steps to ensure the final product is consistent in taste and quality. Here's an overview of the process. Manufacturing process. Raw material preparation. Water treatment. Water, which makes up about 85 to 90% of Coca-Cola, undergoes rigorous treatment to ensure it is free of impurities. Syrup preparation. The syrup consists of a mixture of high fructose corn syrup or sucrose, caramel color, phosphoric acid, natural flavors, and caffeine. This syrup is often supplied by the Coca-Cola Company to bottling plants. Mixing. The treated water is mixed with the syrup in precise proportions to create the final beverage mixture. This step ensures that the drink has the correct sweetness and flavor balance. Carbonation. Carbon dioxide is added to the mixture under high pressure to carbonate the beverage, giving Coca-Cola its characteristic fizz. Filling and packaging. The carbonated beverage is then filled into bottles or cans. This step is done quickly to minimize the loss of carbonation. Bottles and cans are then sealed, labeled, and packaged for distribution. Quality control. Throughout the manufacturing process, rigorous quality control checks are performed to ensure the beverage meets the company's standards. This includes checking the concentration of ingredients, carbonation levels, and overall taste. Manufacturing countries. Coca-Cola is manufactured in numerous countries around the world through a network of bottling partners. These partners are responsible for bottling and distributing Coca-Cola beverages in their respective regions. Some of the key countries where Coca-Cola is manufactured include United States. As the birthplace of Coca-Cola, the US hosts several bottling plants. Mexico, one of the largest Coca-Cola bottlers in the world, FEMSA, is based in Mexico. China, Coca-Cola has a significant presence in China with multiple bottling plants. Brazil, home to several bottling operations, Brazil is a major market for Coca-Cola. India, Coca-Cola operates numerous bottling plants across India. Germany, a significant manufacturing hub for Coca-Cola in Europe. South Africa, Coca-Cola has a strong presence with multiple bottling facilities. Russia hosts several manufacturing plants serving the region. Japan, Coca-Cola has an extensive network of bottling plants across Japan. Indonesia, another key manufacturing location in Southeast Asia. This global network ensures that Coca-Cola is available in over 200 countries, catering to local tastes and preferences while maintaining consistent quality standards. Coca-Cola has numerous bottling plants and factories around the world. However, the company's headquarters, the Coca-Cola Company, is located in Atlanta, Georgia, USA. The brand operates in more than 200 countries, with local bottling partners producing and distributing its beverages globally. The price and packaging process of Coca-Cola vary depending on the region, market demand, and local economic conditions. Here's a general overview. Pricing. Factors influencing price. Production costs, ingredients, labor, and operational costs. Distribution costs, transportation, logistics, and storage. Market conditions, competition, local taxes, and economic conditions. Packaging type, bottles, cans, and bulk packages can have different price points. Promotions and discounts, seasonal promotions, bulk buying discounts, and special offers. Packaging process. Design. Packaging design is created to meet marketing and branding strategies. This includes labeling, bottle can design, and overall aesthetics. Material procurement. Raw materials like aluminum for cans, PET for plastic bottles, and glass for bottles are sourced. Manufacturing. Bottling plants receive the beverage syrup from Coca-Cola. The syrup is mixed with water and carbon dioxide to create the final product. Filling and sealing. The beverage is filled into containers on automated production lines and then sealed.